Hello there. A hasp and staple. Now, all I can see here, because we got nothing, as you see, apart from this. So there's half a hasp there, look, see? We could elongate that a bit longer. And that's a nice piece of metal there. So that would make a nice... You wouldn't bite through that in a couple of hours, would you? But I got to make it out of that anyway. But the rest is considerably easy, isn't it? So that's scrap, so I can use anything in there. And we've got these two bars here, might be pretty nice. You know, that's a nice piece of steel there, look. So that would make a nice, even if you've done that sort of thing. So watch your fucking fingers. Right? Now that, I think, is probably hot. Just look doing that, just look doing that. I took off a good shank there because of the welding. We're going to elongate this all a bit longer. And that's what it looks like now. We might have to spray it blacksmith. Blacksmith black. All the nice girls love a blacksmith. They're going to weld that on there. And that's the start of your yaspy. I got my eye on this piece. That's a nice looking piece of meat, because I can quickly cut that off, come up there, tee off there, just tidy this up. That's on there. It is, honest. I can stand up here. Stand up and be calm, Pete. That is, that's definitely on there without a fucking doubt. Without a doubt in my mind. We've got to weld that onto there. So we're going to cut them to about there, you see. See if I can get under there. Right, that is on there. See? Are you watching? As you all know, if a thief wants to get in somewhere, he's going to get in no matter what you do. So you can only do your best to make it hard for him. So if you had to bite this way through this, it's going to take him an hour or two. I want that on there like that. and then that will be. So we got to open that far, haven't we? Take the padlock off. That might be a bit long there. We might have to shorten it a bit. That's the gap of the door there. I'll go and find another one of these, which will drop in to there, and then we'll weld top and bottom. My battery's due to go. I drew 2 holes in there, which is odd, and I then discut the middle out because this side don't matter. So that's going in there like that. So I'm going to have to use that vice, I'm afraid. My advice to you is get off my fucking vice. So I want to stick that in there. Yeah, stick that in there. Put that across there. Get that level-ish. And then fucking do a mad bit of welding on top of there. I V'd out, so I can guarantee you that is not going to come out of there when it's fucking welded. Oh man, welder! He just keeps welding. Right, that'll probably stay up for about 4.5 months. See, now I gotta take this out. I don't know why I gotta take this out, but I gotta take it out. Instead of leave the fucking thing alone and let it cool down a bit. So I welded that in the back. I don't know if you can see it. Let me move my hand a bit. I welded that in the back. That's not ever going to come out, and then that's what it looks like from the front. Okay, you're not going to get that out there. Don't even think about it. You're not going to. You can't see what I'm doing. Do you want to? Do you want to, like? Let me just tilt that a bit. How's that? Because we're going to move that up a bit. So it's going to be something about there. So you're going to open that up. So yet another line. And we're going to set that much off there again. That will go in there. Cut the head off and weld in. So I just elongated that with the die grinder. That should fit on there, and that should fall over there. And there you have a rather beefy. It's a beefy hasp and staple. Quick video. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I've got a flat tire on the van. My engine's blowing out steam. So all in all, I might be having a good day, I'm not fucking sure. Hasp and staple goes together like a horse and carriage. Hasp, staple. A hasp and staple. Okay.
Thanks for staying to the end. Perhaps you want to click another one there. All as crazy as the first one.